This is again Auravia Living is coming back with the new subject of discussion here on YouTube as a blog, which is might be a very good thought which came into my mind today morning when I was just reading on something. So I just would like to share with you all. So basically, this is more about dividing into the new block of thought in the interiors. Today I just want to talk about something that's not just trending but transforming the way we experience furniture in interiors, and that is ergonomically and organic forms in the furniture design, like furniture inspired by the nature. If you look around today, the furniture design is no longer just about the function, it's about the form, flow, and the feeling. We are moving away from the harsh straight lines and sharp corners, and definitely the embracing the nature, organic, and shapes. So think of like curved sofas, free form chairs, flowing coffee tables, and rounded wardrobes and niche storage designs. So basically, these elements feel like they are come from nature itself, inspired into the human movement, body postures, the earthy forms, anything arches, curves, and soft corners. Geometry versus organic contrast is here is something interesting, and if I say which I have noticed, more interior spaces, the rooms themselves are still very much of geometry in layout, and the talking squares and rectangles are no more longer here. So, but then the mostly introduced furniture that is a complete different form in the language. So what happens? It creates a beautiful contrast, a geometry inside a geometry, and intersection of lines and the curves. So what happens? You get this beautiful contrast in geometry, and this intersection creates a kind of visual rhythm into the space. Basically, rigid architecture versus softened furniture corners. The curves break the monotony of the straight lines, and suddenly it feels more natural, more inviting, and more alive.